Hi dear audience, how are you? Okay dears, Rana Sir is here. Welcome to our Rana Sir educational channel. Today I will talk on a topic whose name is the trigonometry. In trigonometry, I have to explain about similarity of the triangles and some numericals I will solve on this topic. Okay, student. So first of all, you have to concentrate on this video from starting to end for developing, yeah, for improving good knowledge on this topic. Additional information I am going to tell you and you follow it properly and positively. Okay, student, first of all, you have to take one notebook and one pen, and then you have to sit at your location properly and positively. And then you have to write all informations which are written on the blackboard and also spoken data from Rana sir. Okay, students. Now, next additional information I am also going to tell you. If you are feeling good, then you like this live video and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students so that they can also improve their knowledge on this topic. Okay, student. Now, simultaneously you also subscribe this educational channel. The educational channel name is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. Okay, student. Now, next information I am going to tell you to concentrate on this live video from starting to end for updating, that is developing your knowledge on this topic. Okay, student. Now, positively I am going to explain. This is the class 10th mathematics, that is in English medium, and it is also based on NCERT pattern, that is CBSE board. Now here, this is the chapter number 7 already. From the chapter number 1 to 6 already I have taught you, and all videos are available in my live video section, that is on YouTube channel. So from there you can also revise. Okay. Now this is the chapter number 7, which name is triangle. In the triangle chapter we have to read only about the similarity of figures and similarity of the triangle. Sorry. Therefore here I am going to tell you, in previous class already I have explained about the concept of similarity of the triangles and similarity of the figure. Again I am going to explain its meaning, and you concentrate and you listen it properly and positively. First information is such that if all sides of the triangles are same in the ratio, that is proportional, and second is the all corresponding angles of a triangle are same. So in these two conditions I will say, then two figures will follow these two conditions, then I will say both figures are similar. So I will write one by one. Okay, students, so you concentrate on here. First I am going to write condition for similarity. Conditions for conditions for similarity, condition of similarity, condition of similarity. First condition I am going to write here. All the corresponding angles are same. This is the first condition. For the two figures will be similar. So all the corresponding angles are same. Now second condition I am also going to write. Second condition will be such that. Now this information I am going to create, and here I will write second condition for similarity of the triangle, because there is no space. So here I will write all the corresponding sides are same in the ratio. All the corresponding sides are same in the ratio. Or in other words, here I can say that proportional. Proportion. So this is proportional. So proportional. If two figures will be similar, if first condition will follow and also second condition will follow, it means that all the corresponding angles are same. Means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. So I will say this is the first condition if figures are obeying. So I will check second condition. All the corresponding sides are same in the ratio or proportional. So if I will take ABC triangle, so this will be first side, this will be second, and this will be third. And if I will take the anti-clockwise direction, here I will take anti-clockwise direction. So here I have to consider clockwise direction because symmetry is just opposite. Here will be anti-clockwise direction and here will be clockwise direction. So corresponding angle will be equal. This angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. If I will consider like this, so this side divided by this side divided by this side, and this side divided by this side, I will consider. Okay, because we have to take this time. If I will consider this clockwise, so here I will take anti-clockwise. Here anti-clockwise. Here I will take anti-clockwise. Here anti-clockwise. Okay, because these two figures will be symmetrical. So here first condition I will check and then second condition I will check. Both condition will be okay. Then I will say both figures will be similar by using the similarity criteria. By using the similarity criteria, here figure is triangle. So there are three conditions for making triangle will be similar. First is side. Second is side, angle, and third is side, angle, side. By these three ways, I will explain this concept in detail. Okay, student. Now I hope that you are writing this information on your notebook and also you are positively remembering it. If you will remember each information, so if you will solve any questions which are related to similarity of the triangle, so you can easily solve and you can easily find its answer. So here this direction you have to follow positively. Because in one figure you have to consider anti-clockwise direction and second figure you have to consider clockwise direction. Here first figure you have to consider clockwise direction and second figure will be anti-clockwise direction. This direction you have to follow, otherwise your question will be wrong. Okay, student. So these two conditions and these informations we have to learn very clearly for getting right solution. Okay, student. Now further I am going to erase these instructions here, these informations here, this concept, and then I will explain how these two triangles will be similar and what will be the. Now in these two triangles we have to find from the given figures. So this is the one figure and this is the second figure, and we have to find the angle P. So angle P is this. So this angle we have to find. What will be the angle of what will be P angle, and the value of P angle we have to find. Okay, student. Now further you have to know it and you have to remember it. And now further I am going to erase these data and after relating this data and date, I will give a proper solution for it. Okay, so now further I am going to erase. Now here I will use, here I will say I am considering here triangle A, B, C, and here I will consider triangle R, Q, P. Now first of all I will say, here I will write this, first of all I will write this solution. After writing solution and then I will write information. In triangle A, B, C, here I am going to anti-clockwise direction. Triangle A, B, C. So and here and triangle and here I will consider clockwise direction. R, Q, P. In both triangle I will take its ratio AB divided by RQ. Now the value of AB I will write here 3.8 divided by now RQ, the value of RQ is 7.6. So I will simplify. Now I want to remove point. So I will multiply with 10 and then I will divide with 10. So point will cancel out. After multiplication here will be 76. Now here 38 1 is 38 or 38 2 is 76. So here I will write this value is 1 by 2. Now which value I am going to say here AB divided by RQ, its value is here written 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, I will consider this ratio by this ratio and also this ratio by this ratio. And if I will get same similarity, so I will say these two triangles are similar on the basis of side. Okay, students, so because I will use the concept of side and then I will find its value and then I will also get the value of P here. So here I will say BC, this is BC and this will be QP. Now the value of BC is 6 and the value of PQ, here QP is 12. It is also written here 12. So 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So I will write here 1 by 2. Now BC upon QP, its value is 1 by 2. So here I will write BC divided by QP, which is equal to 1 by 2. So this value I have got. Now third ratio I will also get. I will go from A to B, C, and from R to R to Q, P, and then R. So I will find also this ratio. In same triangle I will write CA. This is CA and divided by PR. Now value of CA is written here 3√3 divided by PR, which value is 6√3. Now again I will write this √3 and this √3 will cancel out. Here I will put 3 divided by 6. Now 3 1 is 3 and 3 2 is 6. Now its value is also 1 by 2. So I will write here CA. I will write here CA divided by PR. CA divided by PR, which is equal to 1 by 2. So here I am looking in triangle ABC and also in triangle RQP. The ratio are same. It means that all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So ratio I am getting here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Ratio is okay. So I will say this triangle and this triangle both are similar. So I will write here this information I am going to remove, and then I will say triangle A B C, that is similar. This is the symbol of similar. Similar. Triangle R Q R Q T R Q T. So these two triangles are similar. So I will write here criteria. Criteria will be by side, 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 similarity. Similarity criteria. Criteria by side, side, side criteria. These two triangles I have proved both are similar, and in this case I am using similarity criteria, that is side, side, side. Okay, student. So with the help of side, 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 because I have got ratio of the corresponding sides are same, and that ratio is 1 by 2. Now with the help of the instructions, yes, with the help of the information, I will write this triangle and this triangle both will be similar, and see the symbol of similar. Now criteria I will also write by yes, 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 similarity criteria is this, and we have to form, because if triangle will be similar, so we have to write there what is criteria of similarity. Similarity criteria of the similarity can be angle, 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 yes, side, 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 yes, side, angle, side. Okay, these are the two important concepts we have to use for making two triangles will be similar. Okay, student. So this is okay. Now again I am going to tell information, because this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. Now this angle will be equal to this angle, because this angle from vertex A to vertex B to vertex C. So here I am going anti-clockwise direction, but here I am going to clockwise direction. So I will put in, I will take its symmetry, mirror image. I will take its mirror image. It will come in this side. So R will be at A, Q will be at B, and T will be at C. Okay, this is the mirror image. Okay. Now here I am going to remove this one, and then I will say in the triangle I will say a triangle angle A is equal to angle R, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C, which is equal to angle P. So the value of this angle is also given. The value of this angle is also given in the question, and that information I have to write here for getting its value. Suppose that one angle will be 58 degree, and other is 75 degree. So I will take angle C. So here I will say both angles are similar. So angle A is given here 58 degree. Sorry, angle B is 75 degrees. So here I will write 75 degrees. 75 degree. But angle C we have to find, because if any triangle is a triangle, so sum of all angles of a triangle which is equal to 190 degree, 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle which is equal to 180 degree I have to write, and angle A is given here, and angle B is also given here, and angle C we have to find. So by using some property of a triangle, some property of a triangle we will use here, and then I will find the angle C, and angle C which is equal to angle P, and that is asked in the question. So first of all, here I have explained both triangles are similar with the help of side similarity criteria. And then if both triangles are equal, it means that this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle, because this is the mirror image, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So angle C we have to get. So here in the triangle ABC, I will say the sum of all angles of a triangle which is equal to 180 degree, and then with the help of that concept I will find angle C, and that answer will be angle P, and according to this way I will find the answer of P. So first of all, we have to prove both triangles are similar, and then by using the similarity criteria, and then we will find the angle of C, and that angle of C which is equal to angle of P. Okay, student. Further, I am going to erase this one, and after erasing this one, and then I will find the value of C, the angle of C. The value of C means angle C. In triangle, here I write in triangle ABC. Here I will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is equal to 180 degree. This is the some properties of a triangle. This is some property of a triangle, because angles of some property of a triangle. Angles some property of a triangle. In other words, we can say that sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is given 58 degree, and now angle B is also given here 75 degree. So angle C we have to get, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now here I will add 58 plus 75. Here I will write R circular A plus 5 R unpaired, that is 8 plus 5 R 8 plus 5, that will be 13, 50, carrying will be 1, 7 plus 5 12 plus 1 13, 130 degree, 33 degree, 133 degree. Plus here I will write angle C, which is equal to 180 degree. So here I will write. Okay, so I will use this concept. So here I will say 133 degree plus angle C, which is equal to 180 degree. Now here I will write angle C, which is equal to 180 degree minus 133 degree. Now I will subtract clearly for getting this answer. Here I have to write like this. Now 180 degree value will be 133 degree. Now I will subtract 10 minus this 7, and here will be 7 minus 3, that will be 4. So here after subtraction I will write 47 degree. So angle C, which is equal to 47 degree. Now angle C is equal to angle P, and its value is 47. This is the answer of this question. Okay, student. So according to this way, I will solve the given question properly. Because if questions are given, so first of all you have to read each and every question properly, and after reading, you have to write all informations which are given in the question, and then you have to assume, you have to imagine which formula, which concept I will use to to find the required information which is asked in the question. So here two figures are given, so I have to use similarity concept, because here sides are given, so I will use the concept as side proportion. Side ratio, yes, side similarity. So here one figure I will move in anti-clockwise direction, and other figure I will move in clockwise direction, because if both figures are similar, it means that both figure will be symmetry, mirror image. This line will be mirror image. If I will take its mirror image here, so its reflection will be there. Therefore, I will get a side proportionality. So I have got side proportionality, so all side proportional is 1 by 2 is available. So both figures are similar with respect to yes similarity criteria. Now, if both angles are similar, it means that we can say that A is equal to angle A is equal to angle R, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle P. Now, this information, okay. So angle P, R or Q, directly I can write, because here available. Now angle C we have to obtain by using the concept sum of all angles of a triangle which is equal to 180 degree. This concept I will use, and I will substitute the value of angle A by value of angle B, and then I will calculate the value of angle C. Here I have obtained its value, that is 47 degree. Now angle C which is equal to angle P, so its value will be 47 degree. This is the answer of my question. So according to this way I will solve. Okay student, if you are getting any confusion or any problem, so you write your issue in comment, and I will see your comment, and positively I will reply. And if you are knowing very well, so you like this live video, and also you share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also update their knowledge on this topic. Okay, now additional information I am also going to tell you to also subscribe this educational channel more and more. Okay student, now educational channel name is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR. So if possibly you follow and you take the free online coaching advantage. Okay student, so this is the class 10th mathematics, and class 12th mathematics is also you go in my playlist section, yeah, in video section, and from there you can learn. That is also free coaching classes. So from there you can also learn, and also class 12 this is also available. Now one question I am also going to tell you, and you listen it properly, and you give its answer clearly in the comment section. Now question is such that you listen it clearly. What is the difference? What is the difference between distance and displacement? And you also write its unit. You also write its unit in CGS and MTS system. CGS and MTS system, you write its unit in CGS and MTS system. Now here I am writing, you write the distance between, you write the difference between distance and displacement, and you also write its unit in CGS system and also in MTS system. So this is the task, and you have to give its answer in comment section. Okay students, so I will say what you are going to give, what is the difference between distance and displacement, and also you write its unit, distance unit and also displacement unit in CS system and also in MTS system. So this is your task, this is your assignment, yeah, in other words you can say that task, yeah, homework. Okay, now next question I will take from the triangle chapter, and I will also solve. Okay, student. So first of all, I will erase this question and its solution, and then I will take another question which is also based on similarity of the triangle, and then I will solve. Okay, student. So further, I am going to erase this question and its solution properly, and after erasing it, I will write another question, and then I will give its answer. So first of all, I am going to write question from the textbook. In the question given in the given figures. Now this is the question number 2. I am going to write it now. In the given figure. In the given figure. Figure is also given here. In the given figure, AB is equal to ABC. ABC, which is equal to 90. That is given. Okay. And BD is perpendicular to AC. And BD is perpendicular to AC. This symbol I will read as perpendicular to BD is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. This symbol gives the meaning. Perpendicular means BD is perpendicular to AC or AC is perpendicular to BC. Both meanings are same. Now, if BD is equal to AC, if BD is equal to AC, BD is equal to 8 centimeter and AB is equal to 4 centimeter, and AD is equal to 4 centimeter. These informations are given. Then find the value of CD. Then find the value of CD. Okay, dear students, this is the question. Now here I am also going to the drawing. So this is the a line here. I am going to choose like this. Here this vertex is A and this vertex will be B. So it is 90 degree given in the question, and this is the C. Now remaining question I will erase. So this is a triangle ABC. Angle ABC. So this is the angle B. So this angle is 90 degree already given here. Okay. Now this information BD. So BD. So here I will write a line BD, which is perpendicular to BD, which is perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC. So this is AC and this is BD. This BD line is perpendicular to AC. If BD, value of BD is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. BD is 8 centimeter and AD is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Then find the value of CD. So this length we have to obtain. This length we have to obtain. What will be this length? Okay, students. So we have to use because size is given here. and I will use the concept of angle because we will use angle. So with the help of angle criteria, and I will explain this one triangle and this is second triangle. Both triangle will be similar. Both triangle will be similar because this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. So with the help of angle similarity criteria, this angle ADB and BDC. For one triangle I will go like this clockwise direction, and in other triangle I will go in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, because this concept we have to follow because this will be mirror image. If I will draw this line, if I will draw this line like this, I will take like this. So this line will be mirror image. This line will be mirror image. So this line will be mirror image. This will come like here. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So I will say angle similarity criteria ADE. Here I am going to write clearly D. Angle triangle ADB and triangle BDC both are similar. So I will write here. First of all, I will write this solution. I will write this solution. After writing solution, I know there are two concepts for making triangles similar. First concept is such that all the corresponding angles of triangles are same, and second condition is such that all the corresponding sides are in the same proportion, are same in the ratio, are proportional. So these two conditions will be for making the two triangles will be similar. So here this angle, because this is the line of symmetry, so so this is the line of symmetry, and this, and I will take line of symmetry and mirror image. So this figure will be mirror image of this one, yeah, and this figure will be mirror image of this one. So this will be symmetry. So this angle will be equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So by angle similarity criteria, both angle will be similar. So here I will write according to I will say here in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB will be similar triangle and triangle, here I will write one step more, and triangle BDC in both triangle by angle similarity criteria I will say triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. I will follow this concept because this triangle and this triangle both will be similar. So because this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle. So I will use angle similarity criteria, and then I will write this triangle is similar to this triangle. So I will take a ratio proportion because I will take this AD. This will be first and this will be second. This will be first for this triangle and this will be first for this triangle. So I will write DE. which is equal to, I will write and this is second, and this will be also second. So I will write DB divided by DC. So we have to find the value of DC as CD. The value of DC and CD both are same. Okay, students. So we can also write here. Here I will write the value of AD divided by BD, and BD and BD both are same. So I will write here BD divided by CD because this length DB or DB or BD both are same. DC or CD both are same. So I will write systematic, so it will be square. Okay, students. Now further I am going to simplify here. I will do cross multiplication. So I will multiply with this, and also I will multiply with this. So I will give here cross multiplication. After doing cross multiplication, I will get its value. So here I will write AD into CD, AD into CD, which is equal to AD into CD, which is equal to BD square, which is equal to BD into BD. BD into BD, so I will write like that. So I will substitute here value of AD, CD. Now we have to get value of CD, which is asked in the question. So value of AD, the value of AD is given here 4. So here I will write 4 into the value of CD. I have to calculate. Now here I have the value of BD. BD is given here 8, and also this BD is also 8. Okay, student. Now further I will simplify. So I hope that you have already written this information on your notebook. Therefore I am going to edit this data, and after editing this data I will simplify this expression. After simplifying this expression, I will get the value of CD, and this is the value of CD in your question. Okay, so this will be answer of my question. Now further I am going to find its answer, and then finally I will explain it. What will be okay, so now further here I am going to delete this, and after deleting, and I will put these values same. So here 4 into CD, which is equal to 8 into 8. I have written here. Now here I will put CD, which is equal to 8 into 8 and divided by 4. Now here I will say 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. I will write here the value of CD, which is equal to 2 into 8. It will be 16. Now length is also calculated here centimeter, so its unit will be centimeter, because unit of any length is important. Okay, because unit gives in which dimension we are meeting the required length in serious system or in MTS system. Okay, so this is important information, and we have obtained its value, and the length of CD, which is equal to 16 meter. So in the diagram I will write its value will be 16 meter. Okay, this is the answer of my question. Okay, so according to this way you have to get the solution of any figure which is asked in the question. Okay, student. So if you are doing very well, so you like this live video, and also you subscribe this educational channel. That is channel name is RANA SIR UP KUSHINAGAR, and you have to also share this live video with your colleagues, friends and students, so that they can also improve their knowledge. That is, they can also improve their knowledge, that is, update and develop their knowledge on this topic. Okay. Now additional information I am also going to tell you. You need to read Hindi medium, so you go in my video section, and from there already available class 10th mathematics, and also class 12th mathematics, and also we can say that class 20 physics. Now you can read there properly, and also class 10th physics is also there. So from there you can learn very easily, because there will be also in Hindi medium and English medium is also available in live video section. Okay student, so in live video section I am also explain each and every information in English medium, but in video section you will find in Hindi medium. Okay student, now thank you for watching this live video, and additional information I am also going to tell you. I will meet on the same time tomorrow, that is 10 to up to 8 p.m. or 15 minutes past 8 p.m. That will depend on the time slot. If question will take time slot more, so I will give time slot. If question will complete during the 8 o'clock, so I will terminate the communication you after 8 o'clock. Otherwise, I will give more time for completing the question. Okay, so these are the required information, and you have to follow it positively and properly. If you will get any confusion, so you ask your information, your issue, your comment, your query in the comment section, and then positively I will see, and then positively I will give the answer of your question. Okay student, and one question already I have argued with you, and you give the answer of that question. Again I am going to repeat, what is the difference between distance and displacement? Distance and displacement, and also you write in CGS and MTS system also. That is this unit of distance in also CGS and MTS, and also the unit of displacement you have to write in CGS and also MTS system. So this is important. Okay, you follow it, and you write in comment section, and I will see, and then I will reply the answer. Okay, so thank you for watching this live video. Jai Hind, Rana Sir.